from the question to the answer. This is solving integration question using u-substitution method. Welcome. The question is, integrate t dt over under root of 3t square minus 5. Solution. First of all, in solving question like this, we have to let u is equal to the mathematical statement which is under the root. Always we are taking the statement that is complex so that we can differentiate it and make it simple during integration. So as we are using u-substitution method, so we let u is equal to 3t square minus 5. So derivative of u with respect to t will be equal to 6t, and negative 5 will automatically become 0 because the coefficient of 5 which is related to t has been raised to power 0. So t power 0 is equal to 1. So here if we differentiate, it become 0. So derivative is equal to 6t dt. Here we can see we have t dt here. So we want to replace t dt with other mathematical statement, and here is where we are going to start with. So we have to make subject to t dt. So t dt will be equal to du over 6. It's simple that we divide by 6 here and by 6 here. So we are going to substitute the value of t dt in the place of t dt in that integral. Integral of t over under root of 3t square minus 5 dt is equal to integral of, here we have t dt and 1 over under root of 3t square minus 5. So 1 over under root of this, we remember that 3t square minus 5 is equal to u, so here will be 1 over under root of u times t dt is the u times 6. So if we multiply here, we will get derivative of u over 6 under root of u. So here 1 over 6 is constant, we take out the integral, will remain with du over under root of u, and then here we'll have a constant 1 over 6. Inside the bracket we are going to change the format from 1 over under root of u into u power negative 1 over 2 so that we can integrate it easily. So here will be integral of u power negative a half times du. So integrating this is simple because we are going to integrate in a normal and a simple way by increasing the power of u by 1 and dividing the resulted power of u. So here will be u power negative half plus 1, which will be divided by negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Then after integrating, here we'll add a constant because we assume that during differentiation there was a constant that was differentiated and become 0. So here we're going to add a constant c, and then our statement will be 1 over 6 in the bracket u power half divided by half, then plus constant c, which will be equal to, here we have 1 over 2 divided by this thing, which will become 2 times u power half, and then we will bring out 2 outside, so it will be 2 over 6. Then inside we will have under root of u because u power half is the same as under root of u, and then we add a constant as usual. So remember that u is 3t square minus 5, so we're going to replace u with the statement here. So it will be 1 over 3 because we had 2 over 6, which is simplified to 1 over 3 under root of 3t square minus 5. Then we add a constant c. So therefore integral of t over under root of 3t square minus 5 dt is equal to under root of 3t square minus 5, then divided by 3 plus constant c. So this is how we integrate a mathematical statement with complex statement in it. So first of all, we let u is equal to the complex C statement so that we can differentiate it and make it simple, and then we replace u in the place of the statement. So after that we integrate normally, and then we come to the final answer. Thanks for watching.